Good afternoon, everyone. Good day all. This moment we have another teaching here. These are the animals we have. You can see we have different types, different animals. This one is called all these animals are called wild animal. They're all wild animal. Lion, garang,
Lion,
tiger. Another one is
hippopotamus.
hippopotamus. As you can see, for those of you that have never seen hippopotamus, this is
Tiger.
the animal. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hip, hip, hip. Hippopotamus is this one. They are all farm animals. Most farm animals belong to the group called vertebrates. The vertebrates are animals which are categorized by possession of backbones, and we have birds, mammals, and rest of them. God bless you. God bless you. You have seen them.